Now in this video we discuss about biomolecules, organic chemistry. Topic: structure of proteins. Proteins are the polymers of alpha amino acids and they are connected to each other by peptide bond or peptide linkage. Peptide bond. Chemically, peptide linkage is an amide formed between COOH carboxylic group and NH2 group amine group. The reactions between two molecules of similar or different amino acids by eliminations of water molecules is called peptide linkage or bond. C double bond O OH plus H NH H2O C double bond O C H peptide bond. The products formed by linking of amino acids by peptide linkage are known as peptide. Peptides are further divided into di, tri, tetra depending upon the number of amino acids combined. Oligopeptide contains anywhere between 2 to 10 amino acids. A structure with more than 10 amino acids are known as polypeptides. A polypeptide with more than 100 amino acids residues having molecular mass higher than 10,000 U is called a protein. Classifications. On the basis of molecular structure, proteins are classified as fibrous protein. In the fibrous proteins, polypeptide chain are parallel and are held together by hydrogen and disulfide bonds. These are the insoluble in water. For example, keratin present in hair, wool, silk, and myosins present in muscles. Globular protein. Globular proteins result when the polypeptide chain coil around to give the three-dimensional spherical shape. These are the soluble in water, for example insulin and albumins. On the basis of the structure and shape, proteins can be studied at four different levels. प्राइमरी स्ट्रक्चर, बेसिस ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर, स्ट्रक्चर के बेसिस पे एंड शेप के बेसिस पे प्रोटीन कैन बी स्टडी एट द फोर डिफरेंट लेवल. द प्राइमरी structure, it refers to the number and the linear sequence of amino acids held together by peptide bond. Peptide bond के द्वारा held together by peptide bond. Primary structure. Now in secondary structure, they are found to exist in two different type of structures via alpha helix and beta plated sheet structure. Alpha helix, it is one of the most common ways in which a polypeptide chain forms all possible hydrogen bonds by twisting into a right-handed screw helix with NH group of each amino acid residue hydrogen bonded to C double bond O of an adjacent turn of helix. Alpha helix beta plated sheet structure. All the peptide chain are stretched out to nearly maximum extension तक stretch होता है, and then laid side by side, which are held together by intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Now beta plated sheet structure, all peptide chain are stretched out to nearly maximum extensions and then laid side by side, which are held together by intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Tertiary structure, the tertiary structure of proteins represents overall folding of the polypeptide chains, that is further folding of the secondary structure. It gives rise to the fibrous and the globular structure. The main force which stabilize the second degree, third degree structure of proteins are hydrogen bonds, disulfide linkage, van der Waal, and the electrostatic force of attractions. Quaternary structure, some of the proteins are composed of the two or more polypeptide chains, refers to as subunits. The spatial arrangement of these subunits with respect to each other is known as a quaternary structure. Denaturations of proteins, when a protein in its native form subjected to physical changes like change in temperature or chemical changes like change in pH, the hydrogen bond are distributed. Due to this, globules unfold and helix get uncoiled and proteins loses its biological activity. This is called the denaturation of protein. The denature causes the change in the secondary and tertiary structure, but the primary structure remains intact. Coagulations of eggs white on the boiling during curdling of milk, lactic acid produced by bacteria present in the milk bring about naturations of milk proteins. Medical instruments are stabilized by heating. Denaturations of proteins present in bacteria take place and this kills the bacteria. मेडिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट आर स्टेलाइज, मेडिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो होता है मेडिकल सर्जिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट that means the surgical instrument are sterilized by the heating. Denaturations of proteins present in bacteria take place and this kills the bacteria.